In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails from trash in Outlook. If you've ever deleted an email and realized you still need it, don't worry. Outlook makes it simple to bring it back as long as it's still in the deleted items or trash folder. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and along the way I'll explain what you're seeing so you can feel confident doing it on your own. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Launch the desktop application the way you normally do, whether that's from your taskbar, Start menu, Applications folder, or Dock. Give it a moment to load your mailbox fully before you move on, especially if it's the first time you've opened it today. If Outlook isn't already signed in, log in with your usual account. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your mailbox can sync. Once you're in, the main Outlook window should show your mail folders on the left, your message list in the center, and the reading pane on the right, depending on your layout. Next, navigate to the folder where deleted messages are stored. In many accounts, it's called Deleted Items. In some setups, especially with certain email providers or IMAP accounts, you might see it labeled as Trash. You'll find this in the folder list on the left. Click that folder to open it and display the emails that were recently deleted. Inside the Deleted Items or Trash folder, find the email you want to bring back. The list might be sorted by date, subject, or sender depending on your view, so take a moment to spot the message you need. Keep in mind that deleted messages usually remain here only for a limited time, set by your mailbox or organization. When you've located the message, right-click it to open the context menu. On a mouse, that's a standard right-click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click or your configured secondary click gesture. This brings up the actions available for that email without opening it fully. From the menu, choose Restore. Outlook will immediately move the message out of deleted items and place it back into its original folder, often your inbox, but if it was originally stored in a specific subfolder, it will return there. You'll see it disappear from the deleted items or trash view once the action completes. That's all you need to do. You've successfully recovered a deleted email from trash in Outlook. If you don't see the message in deleted items, it may have been permanently removed or cleared by a retention policy. Otherwise, this quick method should get your email back where it belongs.